Welcome. This is a 15-minute yoga stretch for tension relief. As always, feel free to skip any poses or modify if and when needed. Let's begin in a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. Just placing your hands on your knees or wherever, just palms facing up, sitting up nice and tall. Focusing on the breath here, just taking a few deep inhales, full exhales. And then we'll just begin to circle the waist, just finding some organic movement, maybe even rocking side to side if that feels better. Great, go ahead and come back to center. We'll grab opposite arms, opposite elbows behind our back. If you can't reach, you can grab your wrists or your hands. Keeping the shoulders stacked over the hips, lifting through the sternum. Nice deep inhales here. And whenever you're ready, we'll come into a tabletop pose. And once again, just finding some organic movement. Feel free to bring the hands a little further forward, whatever works for you today. So just moving wherever the body takes you, whatever the body needs. Feel free to rock side to side, forward and back, circle the waist, maybe even bending the arms. Perfect. Go ahead and come all the way down to your belly, lifting through the sternum, resting on the forearms, pressing the feet into the mat, tucking the tailbone. Once again, working with the breath, drawing the breath into the chest. And you can stay right here. You can gaze over one shoulder and then over the other, just a little twist. Great. Press into the hands, sending the hips back towards the heels, coming right into your child's pose. Option to take the knees wide. You can also modify placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the chest. And as you exhale, softening the shoulders, the arms, the ribs. Drawing the breath into the belly. As you exhale, softening the belly, the lower back, the hips, the feet. And we'll gently release. Come to laying on your back. We'll reach the hands up overhead. Big stretch here. And then we'll take a banana pose, so just grabbing opposite arms, opposite elbows or wrists, and then just taking the upper body towards the left side of the mat. And then we'll release, take it over towards the right. Great, coming back to center, go ahead and bend the knees. Take the feet mat width distance and just begin to rock the knees gently side to side, rolling over the glutes, the lower back. We'll go ahead and keep the back flat on the mat as you drop both knees over towards the left side. Now, if this is too intense, you can place a pillow between the knees or underneath that left knee for less of a twist. You can also place a pillow or folded blanket or towel underneath the right shoulder for less of a twist. Now, once again, working with the breath, creating that space with each inhale. And with each exhale, allowing yourself to surrender here wherever you can, even if it's just for a moment. And we'll lift the knees, take your time, take them over towards the right. Once again, working with the breath, and feel free to modify if needed. Great, lift the knees, hug the knees in towards the chest, big squeeze, maybe even gently rocking side to side. Notice how the upper back is feeling, the chest. Maybe your breath is a little more fluid. And we'll go ahead and take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Savasana. We'll take this one moment out of our day, out of our practice, to just be here with the body in its fully relaxed and present state. Don't skip this pose. We are just laying, but there is so much more work to be done here. When the body is feeling tension, sometimes our mind has that impact on our body as well. So when we can calm the mind, we can calm the body. So take time here working through the body or working with the breath, softening the body wherever you can, and just be. Know that this space is here for you anytime that you need. And we'll gently begin to wake up the body, maybe wiggling the fingers and toes, bending the knees. We'll roll over towards our right, less pressure on the heart. Feel free to roll over towards the left if need be. We'll take a nice big inhale here. And exhale. And we'll gently come to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.